Hey everybody, welcome back. If you run into this issue, you grab your 13mm or 1/2" wrench to remove a carburetor solenoid and you cannot fit it between the solenoid and the carburetor. What you need to do is just grab a wrench, 13mm or 1/2", grind it down so that it's thin enough to fit in there. And now that your wrench is thin like this, you'll be able to get right in there and take off the solenoids on Kohler engines, Kawasaki, Briggs Stratton, and whatever else is out there. It's a lot cheaper to make your own tool, guys. Thanks for watching, and please comment below. Have a good day.